Live from the USA, helping you get paid every day. This is the boss of Bitcoin, the Cristo of crypto. It's your boy BK. And if you don't like me, you must not like money. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today, I'm presenting a chart to you guys showing that Bitcoin, although it just made some major gains, sitting north of $8,800, I believe we're at 88.14. We're not out the woods yet. This is still a macro down trend. And anybody that tells you different really doesn't understand fluid technical analysis and has not taken a big picture approach to trading. And that's why I'm here to help you make money. So let's go ahead. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and make this money.
Like a boss.
So here we go, everybody. BTC to the USD. This is what the chart looks like on a big downtrend channel. Right now, we're going to jump into it. But before we do that, make sure you join the Telegram group. If you're just looking to get support for free, trading in the crypto space, and you want to learn how to make some money in the blockchain, join the Telegram. The link is in the description. It's 100% completely free. 500 plus people have already joined. Come on in. The doors are always open. And without further ado, this is the chart, right? There is no getting away from this, right? This goes back to July of 2019. And actually before that, the uptick took us back to like January of 2019. So you almost have about 14, 15 months, 16 months, baked into it, almost like a 16-month cycle. Breakout, breakdown, and we still haven't even hit the flatline part of the chart yet. We're still in the breakdown stage, right? These are the two channels, and again, this is the macro area. Basically, when we broke down from 12,000 back in July, and we recovered north of 4,000 here in March, right? But 90, I would say 5, 7, maybe 99% of the YouTubers, this is the chart that they're talking about. We're free. Bitcoin, $8,800. What's next? $1 million. 200. I saw one video today. $222,000. Like, come on, guys. Come on. What world are you living in here? You're living inside of 2 or 3 months. You know what I'm saying? You look at the downward part of that chart. Like, this thing started in March 16th. You know what I'm saying? And right now we're in May. Not even in May. April 26th, so about 2 or 3 weeks. And you don't make money that way, over the long term. If you disregard the past and only live in the present, then by definition, you can never, ever, ever understand, comprehend, or predict, for that matter, the future. So while this chart looks very good, yes, it is good that Bitcoin made money. Yes, my people did make money on this transition. We made a lot of money, like 20-30% last week during the altcoins. ADA, Atom, KNC, nobody in the world was talking about KNC. I told my people to grab it on the 24th of April. Bam! Hit them over the head for 23%. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want people to come on my channel and be like, BK, you hating. You don't want Bitcoin to rise. I'm like, come on, brother. You know what I'm saying? I've been preaching this for 2.5 years. Where you been? You know what I'm saying? I'm an OG in the scene, right? So, but realistically, this is just a temporary increase. Like, this will not last forever. Why? Because we are still net negative, right? And actually, one of the questions that were asked in the community, my man Big Jason asked the question. He said, BK, when will you be positive? When do you think we'll be in a bull market? And I said, basically, when Bitcoin breaks out, breaks down, and breaks out again on top of this red line up here, on top of this red line, right? Right now, we're still under it, right? And like I showed you in the video, if you put one like right there, then that's basically the downward trend channel, right? So while it's nice to have like this underwater pop, we are not out of the woods yet. Right? And so this is the chart I'm going to show you guys to basically show how this $3,800 projection, and you can see that green channel is like nothing compared to that red channel. That's just a quick little beep beep, right? Last time we had one of them, beep beep, what happened? Bam! got kicked in the chest. You know what I'm saying? How much we lose? 48%. You know, in a month, right? Do it again. Do it again. What time? What happened? What happened last time we was over here? Beep beep. What happened? Bam! Got kicked in the chest. 23% in 20 days, right? So it's like you have to understand that these rises are great, but Bitcoin is still net negative. Like, you know, we hit damn near $20,000 in 2018. We really haven't seen the sun since. And when you go to a daily, let me see. We go to a daily with this stuff. Look at that. It's like it go all the way back to 2018. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't even see this part of the chart, but look at that. That's that money intersection right there. That's that money on money. You can't beat it. When that 7 go down below the 77, like, you better jump ship. You know what I'm saying? That is the Titanic going down. You understand? And for those of you guys that are new to the crypto space, my name is Brandon Kelly. I'm the OG. I'm a boss. Somebody got to be the boss. I do it. You know what I'm saying? I got about 20,000 people that I done helped over the past couple years make some money in the crypto space. Holla at your boy. And this is what I do. I sit in front of these charts. I use mathematics. Got a civil engineering degree, about 5-6 semesters of calculus, fluid dynamics, thermal energy. You know what I'm saying? Got a little bit of conscious, collective, eclectic mixed in this thing. And it's a beautiful system, right? It's called the boss method. So if you want to learn it, as of right now, you can still type into Google how to chart like a boss. Watch that playlist for free. It won't always be free. So if you appreciate knowledge, you know what I'm saying, getting something for nothing, now is your chance, right? And here we go. So this is literally a huge breakdown channel. Like, you can't get through it, you know, with one of those silly little green lines. It just doesn't happen. It hasn't happened yet, right? And so now let's jump in here. Let's jump into Bitcoin. And this is the part of the chart that actually really concerns me. And if you actually want to know how to make money, you know, during this little uptrend cycle that I think we're still in, technically, we're still in this uptrend cycle. If you want to know how to make money, again, join the Telegram group. And then even better yet after that, join one of the premium VIP trading groups. You could sign up on Boss of Bitcoin. We have the profit package, the top 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days. And we have the VIP trading groups, $200 for the first month, right? So if you're curious about that, again, jump in the Telegram group, ask a few of our members if they made money. You know what I'm saying? I don't even respond when people ask. I want to, you know, if you ain't making money, then shoot, you don't need me, right? But the longer you make money, the longer you pay me, because I keep making you money, right? And trust me, the more money you make for people, the more friends you have. And I like having friends. You know what I'm saying? So here you go. So this is this uptrend right here. This is not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this big downtrend coming from the 343. And keep in mind, again, this isn't even going back to the big monster of 2018's free fall. This is really just focusing on this little section of the chart right here. But you saw that big monster 2018 free fall. That thing is still alive and well, you know, and actually lines up perfectly with this cycle that we're putting together right now, right? All right. We're on a 343. I think this is it right here, I want to say. Hit the top of that channel, top of that 77. Let me make sure what chart I use. Yeah, 343, right? Top of that, boom, boom, copy and paste it. And we're going to put this one. So the biggest thing you do is you find where the chart broke down at, right here. Where the chart broke down at, right there. That is confirmed negative energy. Copy and paste it to where our chart broke out at, right here. And just as the sky is blue, you get confirmation of our breakout right here. Now, that's great. That's good. You know what I'm saying? Bitcoin done made 38% in a month. It's amazing, you know? It's amazing. However, we're not out of the woods yet, because when you do a Fibonacci extension from those 2 points, to it doesn't look good. Why doesn't it look good? Because you can see on this 2-3, this is actually our, this is basically where the chart goes into a little flux zone right here. Right there is when we started this little descending part. Up until that point, Bitcoin was relatively flat. We were forming this wedge right here. But then when that 236 came up, bam, took another dip all the way down to confirm that line of resistance, right? And so this is what concerns me, right? Especially after seeing this run. This is literally just like a straight line running into that spot. And so that's what concerns me. What's the price for this spot? Right now, it's at about $9,000 flat, right? And I've told the Telegram, VIP trade members, we have different prices that we're targeting Bitcoin to rise to before it falls. So if you want to know those prices, then jump in one of the VIP groups and you will definitely get that information. So essentially we have, like I showed you before, we have this little quick uptrend here. However, history has shown us that doesn't last forever, especially when you run into the big daddy up here that's just sitting waiting on you. It's like when you was in high school and you stayed out too late, you thought you was running the city. You know what I'm saying? Stayed out till 2 a.m. You know, got home and your dad was waiting on the steps as soon as he walked in. You know, actually, no, you go in the house, you try to sneak in the house, be all sneaky, you know, don't jingle the keys or nothing. You know, he's sitting there at the kitchen table in the dark. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure I had that happen at least once. Shout out to all my fathers out there raising their kids right. You know what I'm saying? We grew up and changed the world, baby. So yeah. This is Bitcoin, and I think it's gonna have some problems when it gets north of 9,000, especially. And this is what's crazy, especially around 4th of July weekend. That is a federal national holiday here in the States, in the United States. And I'm pretty sure if we go back in time, like what happened over 4th of July? Oh, when did that happen last? Oh, this was 4th of July right here. Look at this, 4th of July, bam. You know what I'm saying? They crashed the damn market, right? So it's not hard, you know, to idealize that that is a logical possibility moving into the future, right? We go back to this 4th of July. It was pretty flat. I think they gave us a little run back there, right? But yeah, last 4th of July, they crashed this damn thing down. So all we're seeing is kind of a setup to have the exact same thing happen. Now, when will I be bullish on Bitcoin? When we spend a week plus, 2 weeks plus above 9,000. Am I bullish on Bitcoin right now? Absolutely not. Is it money to be made in the market? Absolutely. Is your boy making it with the family? Absolutely. So again, the profit package is one of the ways that we do it. Top 7 coins to swing trade every day, 7 days, sign up on Boss of Bitcoin. But until that happens, it's a downward trend. It's no getting around it. You know, and so these you know, I don't know. I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to use some words correctly. These enthusiastic, you know, misinformed individuals, you know, that think Bitcoin is going to 10, 20,000, you know, this summer. Not until it breaks through this line right here. And that hasn't happened in the better part of 2.5 years, right? That's what we have to get by in order to ever go higher. So when we look at the projection of this negative energy, right? Let's pull this up real quick. When we look at this projection, this is why I said it could drop to 3,800, because essentially all you're doing is you take a Fibonacci going down, boom, boom, right? From those 2 points, and keep in mind, this will be on the free fall. If it happens right here, right? Then you'll have a downward channel pushing this thing down like that, and that's where you're looking to go, right? This thing catches it at like 47. A lot of times you get a big sell-off, you know, that's probably up there right at the top of that one. Right there, you know, and that's where you get to 3,800 at, right? So technically, until we cross over, probably November, and we're out of this channel, this is still a logical possibility. Basically, the bottom line, and then even if we wanted to copy and paste this, put this like right there on that little cuff, right here, and that's where we bounce at. After that, that's still like 4,100, and you could get a sell-off candle, you know, that takes you well under, you know, 3,800, right? So we're not out the woods yet, people. I wish we were, but still, nonetheless, now is a great time to learn. Now is a great time to accumulate BTC. As long as it's under 10 grand, it's still cheap. You know, you can't even buy a new car for $10,000. You could buy one of them little Fiat, you know, what do they call them? Like, you know, one of them little Prius. Can you get a Prius for 10 grand? I don't know. One of them little buckets that you just drive around in like a little cubicle. I don't even know the name of them things. It's like somebody hit you, you gone. They got them African brothers carrying your coffin, dancing for you. But this is what we got. 3,800 is still a possibility going through the summer, probably all the way through November. So from July to November, if we're not north of 10 grand, then $3,800 is still a real possibility due to the negative energy that was dispelled into the market going all the way back to 2018. You can't get around it. Right? And so that's what we got, man. $3,800 is still there, but nonetheless, there's still some money to be made, and your boy is making it with the people. So if you're interested, I got a new list coming out this Friday. Top 7 coins swing trade. Again, the profit package is available. Bam! Boss alert messages is also available. I think if you have probably more than probably $3,000 or $4,000, at least half a Bitcoin or more, you definitely should look at signing up for the VIP trading group. It's more like insurance on your money. Make sure it don't all disappear overnight. You know what I'm saying? A marginal amount of cost of money to have the peace of mind. You know what I'm saying? No, you got one of the best traders in the world looking out for your best interests. All right, so there you go. Thank you for joining me, everybody. I try to come on here and keep it positive, keep it fun, keep it enlightening, informative, educational, entertaining, and amazing. So if you appreciate this, I appreciate you. You know what to do. Subscribe right now. Turn your notifications on. Thank you for joining me. Let's go ahead and see if we could. I tell you what. In the next video, I'm gonna shout everybody out. Leave me a comment down below if you want to get shout out, because I'm coming back tomorrow with another video. So leave your country or your city in the comments down below, and I will show you guys some love in the next video. Right? So slide in my DMs, drop a comment down below if you want to shout your city or your country out. We coming right back to you in 24 hours. Keep this on wheels, keep on rolling. With that being said, everybody, it's that time of the day. Signing out. Boss. Boy BK, no matter where you stay. Brazil to Bay, California, all the way back out through Germany. Good night, good morning, and good day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Show me some love in the comments. Shout out your city out. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again. Stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Like a boss. Arms.